Hey there, friends! Today, we're taking a trip into the world of macOS. Whether you're a Mac expert or just starting out, these cool tricks will make using your Mac even more awesome. Are you ready for some Mac magic? Let's go on this cool adventure together. Picture this, a cluttered folder filled with countless files. Fear not. With the magical powers of batch renaming, you can effortlessly organize and streamline your digital kingdom. Select your army of files, right-click, and enter the realm of Rename Items. Choose Replace Text or Add Format, and watch as your files transform, saving you precious time and bringing order to chaos. Unleash your inner sorcerer by conjuring custom keyboard shortcuts. Go to System Preferences. Click on Keyboard. And go to Keyboard Shortcuts, where you'll wield the power to shape your Mac's destiny. Personalize your commands. Create shortcuts that resonate with your magic touch and witness the time-saving spells unfold before your eyes. Capture the essence of your digital adventures with the mighty screenshot utility by pressing Shift plus Command plus 5. Not only can you freeze moments in time with screenshots, but you can also harness its enchanted abilities to record the mystical happenings on your screen. A tool so versatile, it's like having a magical quill to script your own tutorials and chronicles. Embark on a quest to unveil the secrets of your Mac's inner workings. Press Option and click the sacred Apple logo in the top left corner to summon the system information. Behold a detailed map of your hardware and software configurations, providing insights into the very essence of your digital companion. Picture perfection awaits as you discover the alchemy of batch image resizing. In the enchanted land of Finder, select multiple images, right-click, and in Quick Actions, choose Create a PDF. Witness the transformation as your images merge into a cohesive PDF document, ready to be shared or meticulously organized. Grant your Mac the gift of understanding your voice commands. Head towards System Preferences, Keyboard, and the Dictation section, where a world of built-in commands awaits. Speak your desires, control your Mac with vocal incantations, and watch as your words shape the digital realm. Guard the sacred scrolls of your thoughts and ideas with an extra layer of protection. In the sacred realm of the Notes app, right-click on a note and choose Lock Note. Set your password or enlist the power of Face ID to ensure that only the chosen one may unveil the secrets within. Embark on a playful journey through Finder with the magic of emoji shortcodes. Cast a spell by typing .doc to unveil documents or .jpg to summon image files. Watch as emojis breathe life into your searches, making the quest for files both delightful and efficient. Peer into the soul of your Mac's life force with a simple yet powerful maneuver. Click the sacred battery icon in the menu bar and unlock the door to battery usage history. Dive into the realms of health and performance, gaining insights into the heartbeat of your digital companion. Equip yourself with the tools of a digital alchemist as you troubleshoot network mysteries. Press Option and click the Wi-Fi icon in the menu bar. Then unveil the Open Wireless Diagnostics spell. Dive into the depths of analysis, deciphering the language of networks to overcome challenges and emerge victorious. Share your Mac without worrying about someone messing up your stuff. Enable Guest User Mode in System Preferences, then Users and Groups. It's like offering a temporary passport to your Mac for others to use without leaving any traces. Customize your notification center with widgets. Swipe left on your desktop or click the date and time in the menu bar. Add useful widgets like weather and calendar. It's like having a personalized dashboard for your day. Navigate through open apps like a pro. Hold down Command and press the Tab key to switch between apps quickly. It's like having a magic teleportation spell, instantly jumping from one app to another. There you have it, fellow adventurers. 13 hidden macOS tips to elevate your Mac experience. Delve into these magical tricks and witness your digital realm transform into a kingdom of productivity and convenience. If these revelations have sparked the flame of curiosity within you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more enchanting tech insights. Until our next journey, may your computing endeavors be filled with joy and magic.